So in this tutorial, I want to show you guys how you become a member of multiple teams. We just added the feature where a user with a specific email address can actually become a member of multiple teams. You can do this either with a new team, hence creating a team, or you can do it with already existing teams. So let's start with logging in to one of our demo accounts. In the first example that we're going to be showing here, we are creating a team that we want to be a member of. So right away when you're logged in, you hit the profile button down in the left corner, and you go to switch team. And here you have not a lot of options because you're not a member of multiple teams, so we're going to create a new team. And in this case, we're going to create a team called Victoria. And hit create. So in the background, there has been created an extra account, an extra team, and the user that we were using, Vanessa in this case, just created this team. So she's now the member of the first team that she ever created when she created her account, and she's also now a member of the corporation called Victoria Incorporated. So if we hit the profile button again and go to the switch team, you'll now see that you have a current team and you have an additional team called Vanessa, which is the original one. And if you hit that, it's going to switch over to the team Vanessa. And again, let's go to the profile and billing to check out what team this is. And as you see, this is Vanessa Incorporated. So in our next example, we're going to show how you add yourself to an existing team. So let's start by logging out. And for this next one, I've created other users. So we're not going to be using Vanessa again. This time we're going to log in as George. And this time, instead of going to switch teams, we're going to go directly into the team. And in this case, George, the owner of this current team, is going to add Vanessa. Vanessa was the same user that we were using before. It doesn't matter if you choose to add them as a member or an administrator. We're going to add her. The page is going to reload and it's going to tell you that you now have a new team member called Vanessa. So before we log out and log in as a Vanessa, we're just going to check. And as you can see, that this is the team called George Incorporated. And now we're going to log George out and we're going to log in as Vanessa. And as you see already here, Vanessa is asked, do you want to join George, Vanessa, Victoria? Which team do you want to work on for now? Victoria was the one that we created before, and George Incorporated is the one that we just added Vanessa to. That was an existing team. And if we click on George Incorporated, and again go to Profile and hit Switch Team, as you see, again, you have the current team and you have the two additional teams that you're a member of, and where you can simply just pick any of these teams to work on content or manage the screens.